Hello and welcome to today's myminimaths.co.uk video tutorial. And today we're going to be looking at the Arithmetic 16 question 6 practice question, which is adding together two decimals with a different number of decimal places. And first of all, we're looking at question 6a, which is 2.3, and we're adding 7.152. Now remember, it doesn't matter which order we put them in, you'll get the same answer. And the most important thing to remember here is to make sure that you line up your decimal points, because then that means our units are lined up. We already have our decimal point. We have our tenths lined up. We have our hundredths lined up. And finally, our thousandths are lined up in the correct place. Also, lots of people like to put in their invisible zeros just to help them to the end of the calculation. So let's have a look. So here in the thousandths column, we have 0 thousandths and 2 thousandths, that's 2 thousandths. Then we have 0 hundredths and 5 hundredths, so that's 5 hundredths. Then 3 tenths and 1 tenth, so that's 4 tenths. And then we move into the units column, and that's 2 units adds 7 units, so that's a total of 9 units. So we have a final answer on the first question of 9.452. And next we're on to question 6b, which is 3.1, and we're adding 1.554. Again, you may want to fill those invisible zeros in to help you along the way. And then we go along the columns. So that's 0 thousandths, add 4 thousandths, which is 4 thousandths. 0 hundredths, add 5 hundredths, which is 5 hundredths. 1 tenth, add 5 tenths, which is 6 tenths. Don't forget, we must make sure that these decimal points are lined up. And then finally, in our units column, we have 3 units and 1 unit, so that's 4 units. That gives us a final answer of 4.654. And on to the third question for today's tutorial, which is 6c. And that's 6.54, and we're adding 2.3. So this time we have the smaller, or the shorter value, should I say, on the bottom row. So again, we can fill in that invisible zero. So 4 plus 0 gives us 4 hundredths. 5 tenths add 3 tenths is 8 tenths. Don't forget, we need to line up that decimal point with the others. And 6 units add 2 units is 8 units. So that gives us a final answer of 8.84. And finally, on to 6d, which is our final question for today's tutorial. And that's 4.003. And we're going to add 0.4. Now again, we can complete this as a formal written method. So that's 3 thousandths add 0 thousandths are 3 thousandths. We have nothing in the hundredths column. 0 tenths add 4 tenths, it's 4 tenths. Line up that decimal point, and then we have 4 units add nothing, or 0 units, so that gives us 4 units for a final answer of 4.403. But of course, we can just look at it as a mental question as well, and just use our heads to calculate the final answer, because here we can just place the 4 tenths into the first number to give us this final answer of 4.403. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow. Take care.